guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I've been off work for back end of the week due to still being a little bit ill, but when I popped downstairs to check the mail and make myself a brew, found this package through the door. No idea who it was from initially. It's obviously not a UK package, and when looking around on the box, it's from kind bosnianbill, and was not expecting anything. So you're a gent, Bill. Say guys, I do not have a clue what's inside this. Box is a little bit bashed here and there. Typical, I think, of Royal Mail these days. They seem to deliver your packages like Ace Ventura and kick them to the door. So let's find the best way of getting into this. Not sure what that is, I'll have a look in a second. Interesting. It's empty now. Right. Lovely little, I think, PAPAIZ locks. I know Bill, I think, did a video of a cruciform PAPAIZ, and I commented that I like PAPAIZ padlocks and collect them, so he sent a few. Stam, fixed pass, I'm not sure what that is. There is one that's obviously an empty box, but I believe this little padlock is out of it. May have been Royal Mail throwing the package about that made this come out. What's that one? Not sure what that is. It a P? I'm not sure. Ah, Pado maybe. Lovely little padlock for my collection. And it does say Brazil, where PAPAIZ are made. Pop that to one side. This is Stam. Never seen that brand before. Another nice little padlock. Better keep the boxes and locks together or I'll end up mixing them up. Yep, another Stam. into that box. Oh, little combination lock. Lovely little lock. I've never really played about with combination locks, so that'll be fun. That does say PAPAIZ on it. Get it in there. PAPAIZ CR20. The PAPAIZ stamp is slightly different to my other PAPAIZ locks, but I love these to bits. Say one of my first ever locks that I picked was a PAPAIZ CR50, so I fell in love with them. I do believe they're all sort of full of spools in every single one. Oh yes, look at that. That's the PAPAIZ CRT50 cruciform. Let's see if we can align that. Yep. Oh, beautiful. Bill, you're a true gent, you really are, my friend. I'm going to have to make a bit more space on top of my display cabinet that's in the background to pop these on. Beautiful surprise. You're a true gent, Bill, you really are. I had no idea this was coming, guys, so thank you so much, Bill. Like I say, you are a true gent. Thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed. I know it's not a lock picking video, guys, but if you are newbies to lock sport, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. bosnianbill's a member. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.